Hello all. A few days ago it was the shopping day and I saw there was an offer on Gearbest for a 3D printer. Supposedly it's a Prusa free 3D printer. Really, I doubt it's really that. It's probably some kind of Chinese knockoff. But it was very cheap. It was a total of 85 euros. So I decided, what the hell, for this price, let's buy this 3D printer. And this video I'm going to assemble it so you will see, and then I will try some test printing and see how well it works. So it comes in a really big box. The instructions are not really good. I have them on my side on the tablet, and it's more or less a do-it-yourself. So let's see how everything goes out. So they supposedly need the plate, left support plate, mainframe support plate. So apparently this is the mainframe support plate. It's done wood, painted. You can see the quality control is not very good at all. Now there are the two stands here and here. The left support plate is installed on the left side, according to the instructions. Yeah, I can think of that. Say left side and right side frame. Yeah. I'm gonna get some scissors. Well, the assembly of the printer is complete. However, whenever I power it on, I just receive a message saying error minimal temperature. So I was doing some troubleshooting. I got the PCB out, tested with the multimeter until I found this problem in the thermistor. So basically, it's disconnected the thermistor from the cable itself. So I'm going to apply a little of solder, put it inside again, and hopefully that will fix it. That will be the last problem. But this is the thing that happens when you buy something very cheap that has almost non-quality control. Okay, now I have resoldered it. I have covered it with a little piece of a shrinking tube, and now it measures the current value. Apparently the current value on the multimeter it says is 68 kilo ohms. It was seeing infinite before, so before it was not connected. However, I'm worried because the hotbed one seems to give the same value on the multimeter, so I think probably also needs to be repaired or completely redone. I don't know. It was a crappy joint in between the thermistor and the cable, so probably so fragile that just looking at it, it will break. I hope there's nothing else to fix and I can at least have my first test print. Tested the motherboard in a very simple fashion, just connected both of the thermistors, the hotbed and the extruder one. The extruder one is just here holding by the helping hands. So when I power it on, I can see there, now it doesn't give an error, it recognizes the temperature on the extruder, but it doesn't recognize any temperature on the hotbed. So I think that probably the thermistor of the hotbed is also broken. It's giving no value on the multimeter, so I will take a look at it as well. With the hotbed thermistor, so I solder it completely new. It seems that the thermistor itself is the fragile part, so I reinforced it with a cable inside a shrinking tube holding both of them, then some solder and then another shrinking tube on top of all of that. And now it seems that both thermistors are working properly. So I will reassemble the hotbed. That is quite a mess to get it out, and then let's see if it prints anything at all. Well, it seems that now that both thermistors are fixed, it's now printing whatever the example files came in. I'm not exactly sure if maybe I need to calibrate the zero position, the zero vertical position better. Also, the thermistor is not very well, because when I put the screw to hold it in place, it just started giving erroneous values. It just started giving 300 degrees when it was not even hot. So I will try to fix it, and I will see if I can order a replacement. It's just serving warranty, ask the seller to send a replacement thermistor for the extruder. The hotbed one seems to be holding well, and I'm not exactly sure how much time will this take. It says 0%. I don't know if that's the 0% of the whole printing or what. So let's see what got out of it. It's a little raw. I use a quite coarse slicing, but looks very well. I mean, just a little sandpaper here and there, and it will look perfect. Took 1 hour to print this. It's a cover from Xbox Series X controller. I tested this. Didn't went so well apparently, but well, if it works, it works. Say hello, newbies. Say hello. 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 Oh, kissy, kissy.